So these days, let us see some questions in coding. In some code, LEARNING is written as LGNINRAE. So the question is, how would surprise will be written in the same code as? So let us break the code now. Let us see how many letters are there: 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So L is written as L and N is written as N, and the remaining 2, 3 and 4, 6, 7 and 8 are swapped. Let us see how. R is written as sixth letter A and then E. In the same way, I, N and G. So we have to write surprise as the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first letter is copied as the same. So S is S, and fifth is the letter is the same R, and the remaining 3 letters here and here are swapped. So P is written as the sixth letter, and R is written as the seventh letter, and U is written as the eighth letter, and then I is written as the fourth letter, S is written as the third letter, and E is written as the second letter. So surprise is written as SESIRPRU.